Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Iris and this video has gone all the way wrong. I was trying to record myself coloring my hair because it is the holiday season and I just wanted a change. So I decided to try this Adore color and it's in the color 30 Ginger. So I thought I was recording myself when I applied this to my hair, but it looks like I wasn't. But I didn't, add anything to it or dilute it or anything. I just applied it straight on my hair as is. And I have this cap on, which I was waiting for it to, process for at least 15 minutes because that's what the direction says. Shampoo and towel dry hair. And then it says cover with a plastic cap and process with heat for up to 15 minutes. Now I could send it under a dryer, I guess, and help it process even more, but I think the cap will be fine. So that's where I'm at right now. And that's all that you missed in this video. So I'll try to put, I guess, a picture or something of how my locks looked before I colored it, which it was already lightened. It had like I want to say like a golden blonde color. So I'm not sure how this is going to work, if it's going to give me the color I was thinking, or maybe it's just going to darken it up and it's not going to give me the ginger color that I was looking for, but I'm going to see how this is going to go. Inside, this is actually how the color looks when I took off this little piece from the cap. So you can see it's just like a golden orange, I want to say. Like a golden type of orange color. So I believe it should work with the tone of my hair as is. Like I said, my hair is not really bright blonde, but I believe it's light enough to have this color show up the way I want it to. So we're going to see how this is going to go. So I'm going to leave this on for the 15 minutes and I want to wash my hair and come back and show you what it's looking like. Okay, so it's been about 15 minutes and I did apply this little turban that I have on top to create some more heat. So this is what the color is looking like before I'm going to go ahead and shampoo. It says you need to rinse and shampoo, so I'm going to go ahead and do that, but this is what it looks like so far. Okay, so I've shampooed and washed my hair and now I'm going to see what it's looking like. Ooh. And it actually came out the way I actually wanted it to. It is a little darker than I expected, but it is giving me that ginger color I was looking for. So I'm happy that with the color I already had, it just kind of just enhanced it. And I didn't have to mix it with anything. Like I said, I just used it straight from the bottle. And this is a semi-permanent color, so it is not lifting or, chemically treating your hair. Basically, it's just depositing the dye. So I don't want to do another chemical process until I'm closer to my 2-year mark, which will be next year. So this was something that would give me a different look without doing any damage, which is what I wanted. So I'll go ahead and show you the back. Okay, so this is how the color is looking. And I actually loved the way it came out. I think it came out so cute. It did give me a whole different look, which is what I was looking for. I did add some oil to my hair, so I feel like it's just an oily mess right now. To try to moisturize it from, you know, coloring it and washing it. But I actually love the ginger color it gave me. It is actually the color I was actually looking for. I was just worried that it was going to come out not the right color because of the tone of my hair. I wasn't sure if it was going to take exactly the way I thought it would, because I've seen so many people use this color but they mix it with other colors, so I wasn't sure if using it by itself was going to give me the ginger I was actually looking for. But I'm glad I used it by itself, and I didn't use much. The bottle still feels pretty full. I want to say it's probably right here is where I probably used. So not that much. It didn't take much to color it. Like I said, it's very thick and it's very concentrated, so you may not need much for your locks if you're doing this on locks. Because I was worried because I only got one bottle, but it didn't take much to, you know, get it the color that I desired. If you have longer locks, I would say you probably may need the 2 bottles, but the 1 bottle did work for me. I'm just glad it's giving me an overall different look for the holidays. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye guys.